In this guide, I'll show you how to use a full picture on your WhatsApp profile. WhatsApp typically crops your profile picture into a square format, which can cut out parts of your image. To use a full picture without cropping, you can use an app like SquarePic, and here's how to do it. Open Google Play Store on your Android device and search for SquarePic. Download and install the app. Launch the SquarePic app on your Android phone, and then tap on the gallery icon to choose the picture you want to use as your WhatsApp profile picture. Next, tap the background option at the bottom of the screen to choose how to fill the left-out space around your picture. You can use solid colors, gradients, or blur effects. When you're satisfied with your background and overall look, tap on Save to download the full picture without cropping. Next, go ahead and change your profile picture on your WhatsApp. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.